You will not believe this. I white my teeth naturally using strawberry, ginger, baking soda, toothpaste plus some few drop of lemon. No damage, no harsh chemicals, just shining, freshness. Let me show you guys how I make it. Okay, so I put 3 strawberry inside. I blended it first. So the next thing, I'm adding my ginger. I'm going to add ginger. This ginger, maybe normal when you blend it, can be like 1 tablespoon. So after blend everything, you find your bowl, you put inside. Like how I'm doing it, exactly how I'm doing it. So after put my ingredients inside, the things that I blended, now it's time for me to add my baking soda. Please add baking soda, not baking powder, okay? And also make sure your baking soda is not expired, okay? So you can use 1 tablespoon or half teaspoon. It depends on the quantity that you are going to make it, but I can only advise to make it small batch. When it's finished, you can make new one again. So after that, so now it's time to add my lemon. I'm going to add I added half teaspoon inside and add my toothpaste. Please toothpaste, add your normal toothpaste, any type of toothpaste you are using, you can add inside. Okay, so after adding it inside, you have to try to mix all the ingredients. Let the ingredients mix to each other very well, and you get your preservative container or your any glass that you think that you can preserve your ingredients or your treatment inside. You put it inside and keep it inside the fridge. If you are going to put it inside the fridge, just leave it for 3 to 4 days. Please throw it away and make new batch. So that's why I say it's very important for you to make it small batch if you are just alone. But if you are going to and don't use it for children, okay? If the child is up to 10 to 11 or 12 years, okay, that child you can allow him or her to use. But age of 3 to 5, 6 years, please don't allow the child to use it. It's not for children. Okay, so guys, after everything, you see, you have to brush up to 1 to 2 minutes and rinse your mouth. If you want, you can follow up with your normal toothpaste again, or you come out. That is all. Now I finish everything. I rinse my mouth, put my lip balm on my lip, moisturizing my face again. So please, we are selling carrot butter, carrot oil, glowing butter. If you want to glow your natural skin, without any harsh chemical, no bleaching, just glowing, please, you can contact with me. Okay, I don't have website for now, but for that one also is coming. And also, while you are subscribing or you are following this page, you have to know that look at my teeth, guys. What we are doing in this channel is all about natural things, how to grow your natural hair, how to take care of your edges, especially that place is important.